Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Since I started sharing my free motion embroidery online, I get this question a lot. Do I need a special sewing machine to do it? The answer is no, you don't need a special sewing machine. A regular sewing machine works just fine. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare your sewing machine and the essential accessories you need for free motion embroidery. I'll also showcase 3 different levels of sewing machines. All of them can do the job. First, we need to lower or cover the feed dogs. This allows the fabric to move freely in any direction. On some machines, the switch to lower the feed dogs is hidden behind the toolbox. On Brothers sewing machines, look for this symbol. Use the switch to lower the feed dogs into position. Some sewing machines have the switch located at the back. Other machines have the switch on the side, near the electrical cables. If your machine doesn't allow you to lower the feed dogs, you'll need a feed dog cover for free motion embroidery. This is the presser. It's great for sewing straight lines. The only tool we need is a flathead screwdriver. Any type will work. I've tried different free motion embroidery feet, and they're all easy to find online. This simple one was the first I ever used. I love this open-toe foot because it makes threading so much easier. I also bought these transparent feet for delicate embroidery, so I can see the fabric underneath. This is my newest favorite. It's transparent with an open gap at the front. However, this foot doesn't fit most of my older machines. Now let's change the presser foot. First, I'll use my very first sewing machine. It's been with me for over 15 years. First, remove the straight stitch foot. Usually, we only need to remove this part to change the foot. But for free motion embroidery, we also need to remove the top section. Use a screwdriver and turn it counterclockwise to loosen the screw and remove the top piece. I love this simple presser foot. It's easy to install. Set the stitch length to 0 or a low setting. Now you can start drawing with your thread. Even the most basic sewing machine and a simple embroidery foot can do free motion embroidery. Here's another presser foot that's easy to find online. Now, let's try with a computerized sewing machine. The process for changing the foot is the same. Lower the feed dogs, set the stitch pattern to straight stitch, and adjust the stitch length to 0 or a low setting. And we're good to go. As you can see, even a simple presser foot does a great job. This Janome sewing machine is my latest upgrade. Let's change the foot and lower the feed dogs. Press the clothes icon. Then press the right arrow. Select quilting. Then press the free quilting button. I mostly use straight stitch 1, but feel free to experiment with other stitches. For beginners, stiff felt fabric is a great material to start with.